Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Today we will do fractional part of a whole number. Book exercise 8F. Welcome back to maths class students. Today we will do self practice 8F. First question we have already discussed. Today we will discuss question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Here students, this question we will do in the register, not in the form of fill in the blanks. We will learn how to solve them. Here it is asked 1 by 5 of 1 day is equal to dash hours. Students, you all know in 1 day how many hours are there, and we need our answer in hours only. So first we will change this 1 day into hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 1 by 5 of 1 day 24 hours. So we have to find number of hours in 1 by 5 of 24 hours. So 1 by 5 of will replace with multiplication and 24. 5 and 24, they are not divisible with each other. So we will divide them and we will find our answer, that is 4 by 5 hours. So the 1 by 5 of 1 day will be equal to, we will write our answer here, 4 by 5 hours. So next part is 3 by 5 of 25 kilometer. So we need the answer also in same unit kilometer. So let's solve it. So 3 by 5 of 25 kilometer. So 3 by 5 multiply and 25. You all know 5 and 25, they are divisible with each other. So 25 is divisible by 5. So 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So we got 3 into 5. That is 15 kilometer. So 3 by 5 of 25 kilometer means total is 25, and when we divide this 25 into 5 equal parts, and out of that if we take 3, so we take 15 kilometers. So the answer is 15 kilometer. We will write our answer here. The next part is 1 by 6 of 2 hours into dash minutes. Okay, so here the time is in hours and we need time is in minutes. So first we will change this hours into minutes. So in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So in 2 hours, how many minutes will be there? 120 minutes. So here 1 by 6 of 120 minutes. One by 6 into 120. 6 times 1, 6 times 2 and 0. So here answer is 20 minutes. So 1 by 6 of 2 hours is equal to 20 minutes. Part is 1 by 4 of a dozen. 1 dozen is 12 items. You all know, like bananas we always purchase in dozen. So 1 dozen is having 12 bananas and 12 items, you can say. So 1 by 4 of 12 items. So 1 by 4 of 12 items is equal to 1 by 4 multiplied by 12. 4 times 1, 4 times 3 is 12. So 3 items. So 1 by 4 of a dozen is equal to 3 items. So 5 by 12 of a minute is equal to dash seconds. Students, here we have minutes. The answer we need in seconds. So first we will convert this minutes into seconds. You all know 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So here for 1 minute. So 5 by 12 of 60 seconds. That will be equal to 5 by 12 into 60. 12 times 1, 12 times 5 is 60. So 5 into 5, that is 25 seconds. So our answer is 25 seconds. So the next question is 22 by 40 of a meter. We need the answer in centimeter. So we will change this meter into centimeter. You all know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 22 by 40 of 100 centimeter. So we will change 22 by 40 multiply by 100. 0 we will cut with 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 11 is 22. So 11 into 5, that is 55 centimeter. So 22 by 40 of a meter is equal to 55 centimeter.